Thank you, Senator Utke. I think, we have heard all morning the increased need, the increased demand across the state. There are folks with food insecurities in every one of our districts across the entire state. And I don't think, there is a stigma that still comes with food insecurity. And I don't think that there are folks who are seeking these services that don't need them. These are people in need, as was talked about, just how families are being squeezed right now. If we think about, increased costs for families, if we look at renters, over 50% of renters are housing burden, meaning they are paying more than 30% of their income towards rent. Of renters, 26% of renters pay more than 50% of their income towards rent. That's, if we look at healthcare costs, if we look at childcare costs, if families are paying for childcare, oftentimes that is 20, 30, 40, 50% of their income to childcare. So it is no surprise to me that with all of those increased costs, families are feeling squeezed. And, if you're paying 50% to your rent and 50% for childcare, what is left to buy groceries? Nothing. And so people are seeking these services because they need them and they deserve to have food on their table. And I'm really grateful for all of the work of all of these entities who are standing in that gap and meeting those needs. And the needs are vast, and we have a responsibility and an opportunity to help those hungry folks in every one of our districts.